Understanding tire markings is crucial for vehicle safety and performance. Every tire displays a standardized size format that contains essential information. Let's decode this step by step using a common example. Each part of the tire size tells us something specific about the tire's dimensions and capabilities. Let's examine each component individually. The letter P at the beginning indicates this is a passenger car tire, designed for cars, minivans, and light pickup trucks. The number 2 of 25 represents the tire's width in millimeters, measured from sidewall to sidewall. This is the tire's cross-sectional width. The number 65 is the aspect ratio, the tire's height as a percentage of its width. A 65 aspect ratio means the tire's height is 65% of its 225 millimeter width. The letter R indicates radial construction, where the tire's internal chords run perpendicular to the direction of travel. This is the most common construction type for modern tires. The number 17 represents the wheel diameter in inches. This tells us the tire fits on a 17-inch diameter wheel or rim. The load index 102 indicates the maximum weight each tire can support. Index 102 means each tire can carry up to 1,874 pounds safely. Finally, the letter H is the speed rating, indicating the maximum sustained speed the tire can handle safely. An H rating means the tire is safe up to 130 miles per hour. Now you can decode any tire size. Each component provides critical information for selecting the right tire. Always ensure these specifications match or exceed your vehicle's requirements for optimal safety and performance. Beyond basic tire size, several other markings provide crucial safety and performance information. The DOT code is one of the most important markings to understand. UTQG ratings provide standardized information about tire quality. Treadwear ratings indicate how long a tire should last compared to a reference tire, with higher numbers meaning longer tread life. Temperature ratings indicate a tire's resistance to heat buildup. Grade A tires can sustain speeds over 115 miles per hour, Grade B between 100 and 115 miles per hour, and Grade C between 85 and 100 miles per hour. Traction ratings measure a tire's ability to stop on wet pavement. AA is the highest grade, followed by A, B, and C. These ratings help you choose tires appropriate for your driving conditions. Modern tires may include additional markings for emerging technologies. Smart tire integration, electric vehicle compatibility, and enhanced load ratings are becoming increasingly common as automotive technology advances. Understanding these markings ensures you select the right tires for your vehicle and driving conditions. Always check DOT dates for tire age, review UTQG ratings for performance expectations, and consider modern features that match your vehicle's requirements.